that way easy for the students to understand unsa di ay na mga function, unsay function niya ani, unsay function niya ana. Dili sila mangutana nga unsay pasabot ana in Bisaya. It is because the teacher is using mother tongue. They are focused on mismo sa lesson, not dili lang sa nag naabaga sila sabton nga lesson, sabton pa nila ang language na ginagamit. Because of mother tongue, directly ang lesson ang ilahang i-comprehend. Understood, everyone? Okay. Are there any questions or clarifications regarding with MTBMLE? Are there any questions or clarifications regarding with the MTBMLE? Our call will be ending after 14 minutes. Wala na pangutana, everyone?
Wala na, ma'am.
Okay. So I am going to send a new link, no? Kay mag-end na po ang atuang call in 14 minutes. So mag-transfer lang ta sa new link nga akong isend. Is that all right, everyone? To continue our lesson sa next na lang link. Okay, thank you so much.